Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, let's talk about the market sentiment for tomorrow. Let's talk about SPY, let's talk about Walmart, Square, Tesla, Lucid, Bitcoin, the watch list for tomorrow, as well as CPI, which stands for Consumer Price Index. If you guys, go over CNBC right now, we have a lot of fears on inflation. And what CPI Index is it tracks the 400 retail products, like toothpastes and stuff. And over time, every single month, if the price is going up, that will be evidence for inflation, which causes the market to go down. And which is why we really kind of dropped today to kind of like price in some of the inflation. So there definitely is a lot of uncertainty for tomorrow. That is why I'm mostly playing shares on my YouTube channel. I'm alerting mostly shares only right now. Now, before I start the video, okay, just make sure to kind of, support the channel. Just hit that like button. Let me know in the comments, your guys' thoughts for tomorrow. It takes a lot of time to kind of like make these videos, so I would really, really appreciate it if you guys can, spread the word. Now, so we have CPI. Let's first take a look at SPY. So, we did break the downtrend on SPY 2 days ago. And what I have for SPY is kind of like my trend lines from the past support. Okay, so we're holding off in that past support level for this support level. Now, what to watch is the consumer price index is tomorrow at market open. So at tomorrow market open, the uncertainty should be clear. And basically, if we do gap down, I'm looking at some stocks to buy, but mostly for SPY, I'm basically just looking at it to hold this level. If we don't hold that level, honestly, let's take a look at kind of like our EMAs. My next price target would be like the 50 EMA. But overall, tomorrow is going to be a lot of uncertainty until open. And also, we had a lot of volume on that dip. So for tomorrow, mostly we just don't know. And if we do dip tomorrow, I'm looking at some stocks to buy. And let's do an update kind of on Walmart right now. Walmart ascending triangle. And overall, Walmart had an incredible day. I mean, all of the stocks were down today. SPY was down like, 0.5%. SQ down 4%. Tesla down 6%. Walmart had a decent day, which I was surprised. And we're holding off that level on the weekly that I was talking about. And it is very, very important that we close above the weekly support on for Walmart. This is very, very important because, as you guys can see, whenever we tested the support, we held that level. And usually the next candle was a very, very bullish uptrend. So it is very, very important that we really hold that level for Walmart going in for tomorrow and that we close above the support on Friday. And if we do drop for Walmart on CPI, the support that I'm watching again is this 137 level. We also had some incredible volume coming in for volume today, and I did kind of alert this ascending triangle on Discord in the chats. And overall, Walmart is looking very, very nice. So still, it needs to close above 137.60 for us to hold for tomorrow. So that is how Walmart is looking. Let's take a look at SQ. After the video I made on Square, I alerted some shares, and overall, SQ kind of did obviously have a red day, and it is very, very important that we really close above the support for SQ, above the weekly support. This is very, very important because we do actually have a gap down. So if the market, at open we bleed and the CPI is bad, inflation fears, I think we can definitely fill this gap down below. So I'll be looking at a possible alert for SQ puts. And this play, again, our price target would be kind of like the gap fill at 180. So Square puts look very, very interesting for tomorrow if we are red. And it is very, very important that we're always ready. We don't have like a biased opinion for the market. We're always ready for red or green. So that is very, very important. The next one is Tesla. I am in Tesla shares, and Tesla looks like another dip buy for tomorrow. If we keep dipping at the support is what I'm looking at. Now, since this is a descending triangle, kind of just like square, if we break the support, okay, it is going to be very, very bearish. And the close below of the support is my stop loss. Because for Tesla, kind of have a gap down. Oh, yeah, sorry for the mic. But for Tesla, we have this gap down, which is very, very important. Because if we enter that gap, we're going to be filling it. And, that is very, very important that we set our stop loss below the close for Tesla. And overall, 1,000 is a major support level. It is a mental price target for Tesla. So that is very, very important that we watch that level because we can play that to the downside. So that is very, very important for Tesla. The next stock that I'm looking at is Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors, kind of forming like a cup. And, this is kind of like our support for the handle, the 50% retracement level. So just watch that for Lucid if we are green. But I'm just, taking a look at Lucid, and that is really all for Lucid. The next one we have is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is very, very interesting because if inflation, if we have inflation in the market, Bitcoin goes up, okay, because again, it's kind of like, with silver, where people are going to be moving their money into Bitcoin. So tomorrow will be very, very interesting for Bitcoin since it is also sitting at a major support level. So at tomorrow at market open, everyone, go to cnbc.com. It is very, very important because, you keep refreshing CNBC and soon you'll get the data on the CPI. So that is very, very important that we keep updated. And when the CPI does release, and I'll be alerting it on Discord. So overall, that is it for Bitcoin. Very, very simple. Just watch the levels for tomorrow. And overall, very, very surprised on Walmart because again, market was kind of bleeding today, and Walmart was just surprisingly up, which just looks very, very nice for our calls, which I'm still down like 5%. But overall, that is all very, very simple video for you guys. If you guys did like this content, it takes really a lot of time to kind of make this content. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Sorry for the mic. I'm getting like this new, a whole new mic setup, and I'm kind of like moving right now. So it's going to be like a very, very, tough times to kind of like record videos. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at market open, and bye-bye. See you guys.